Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the for loop. So first of all, what is the for loop? The for loop and the while loop have the same purpose. Both are used for repeating the code. The for loop is also used for repeating the code. It is short form of the while loop. And now here I'm gonna create a while loop. First of all, here write for, then parentheses, and then brackets. In between these brackets we need to write the system out statement. Here is hi, then here I'm gonna write hi, and then in between these parentheses we need to write all the things. In the previous project, here I'm gonna open the previous project, and here you see that this initialization, this checking of the condition, and the increment are on the different places, but in the for loop all these three things are in the same place in between these parentheses. Here I'm gonna write number is equal to 0. We start from the 0, and then here I'm gonna write the condition, then number less than 5. It print the statement until number is less than 5, so it print the statement 5 times. Here I'm gonna increment it number plus plus, and then let's check it. Here you see that hi is printed, and here I'm gonna write another thing number, so it also print this number. And here you see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So now what happened at the first step? At the first step the number is 0, so it check the condition, so 0 is less than 5, and so it print the first high. Then the number is incremented to the 1, then it again check 1 is less than 5, then it print the second high, that is here. Then it increment the number to the 2, then it check 2 less than 5, then it print the statement that is here, that is the third. And then it increment the 2 to the 3, then it check 3 less than 5, it print the statement here. Then it increment 3 to 4, and then it check the statement 4 less than 5, then it print the final statement. Then it increment 4 to the 5, but 5 is not less than 5, so the loop is end at this point. So this is the way we use the for loop to increment, to repeat the code. This is the same way we use in the while loop, but in the while loop the increment, the condition, and the initialization are on the different place, but here is all the things are in the same place. So I will see you in the next video, that is about do while loop.